This is June 29th, and my name is Clover.
My name is Odin, and we found cicadas. This one doesn't have any body, and he still moves.
Crazy.
And the other one right there,
Wait.
if you squeeze him, Clover squeeze him, he makes this sound.
All right, wait. Everyone be quiet so we can hear it. Crazy. Insane.
And we also found these banana slugs right here.
Let me hold it up for the camera. Let me see it. Oh, banana slugs.
They like eating the dead cicadas. We found one on a dead cicada, and it was almost gone because the slug was eating it.
Cool. Clover? Did you get it? Nice.
Make him make a sound. Hear it?
Only Clover can make him sing. I don't hear him. Amazing. All right.
We're actually going to eat the cicadas.
Probably not. Odin, cut us out.